Sharif just nailed it, and this is 12 Days of Christmas, and we are on to day 8. Today we are doing snowflakes. They are not my forte. This is a little out of my comfort zone. But we're going to be using some stencils by Twinkle Tea. There's many different designs on this sheet. It's not just snowflakes. But we're going to be using a couple of those. We are going to be using the white by Diva in a Bottle by Princess Nails Diana. This is also one of her colors, and look how beautiful this is. This is a one-coater, of course. This was the winter collection of last year, and this is number 703. This is beautiful. So beautiful. It's just, I love this color. Love, love, love it. So like I said, this is a one coater. I'm going to go ahead and top coat. I'm using, because I just grabbed this, I got Beetle's top coat. I'm going to seal this in because of using the stencil. Because I don't want the whole nail to be sticky at all. So we're going to stick this back in the lamp. Whoops. Give that a quick cure. So like I said, we'll be using the white from the summer collection. This is no number because I've worn it off. So we'll be using that, as well as I'm going to try to use one of these, which is the center part. But there's a couple different snowflakes here. That's a star. It could be a snowflake. But I'm going to use these two probably right here. They're snowflakes. So I'll use those. Hope everybody is doing well. This is going to be hopefully a short video. Hope you watch in full. Show your support to me and Pumpkin, who are doing the 12 Days of Christmas. Her video link will be pinned down below. Check her out. Show some love. Do it, do it, do it. It's the Christmas season. Alright, we have got our nail out of the lamp. So let me get our stencil. You just peel them right off. Oh, if this thing does, if they don't separate, just take it out the back. Give it a rub. This usually works real well. There you go. Take your white. Cover the stencil spot. I'm going to get the other one as well. Do the same thing. You just peel these off. Oh, that one didn't work so swell. And there are your snowflakes. Before I cure them, I am going to take, this is an old product to She Modern from when they very first started. This is Blue Green Fairy Translucent Glitter. I don't know if this is still available. I don't think it is. But I'm going to sprinkle this over the snowflakes. Give them just a wee bit of a twinkle. Not much comes out. I'm not sure anything is coming out. There we go. So I'm going to stick this in the lamp. I don't know if anything will brush off. I'm not doing my normal, what I do. I'm not doing it. So, have you ever tried Twinkle Tea stencils before? This is like my third or fourth time using them. I used the snowflake, not the snowflake, the Christmas tree ones earlier in the video. Those were fun to do a Christmas tree. Really enjoyed those. I'm going to take one of these snowflakes. I'm going to put that on the nail as well. Whoops. Beautiful. Beautiful. So with the pandemic going on, what's everybody's plans this year for Christmas? Are you staying home and celebrating by yourself? Get my brush. I'm going to brush these off. There. So I'm going to top coat again. This year, let's see what's my family doing. Normally we all gather at my house. But this year, it's just going to be me, my mom, and my son. You know, everybody's got to stay at their own house, celebrate with their close-knit family, maybe one other household, they said. It's crazy. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my video. Short, sweet, easy to do snowflakes. It's the easy way. You could stamp them as well. I cannot freehand a snowflake. I did try. I'm not sure what happened to it. I did try though. It just didn't look good. It wasn't a good snowflake. So we chose the stencils today. Leave me a comment down below. Hope you're subscribed to my channel. Click the bell and click all. Hope you come back for more 12 Days of Christmas. And we also don't forget have Charlie's Advent Calendar going on. So I hope you're checking that out as well. We've got 2 videos a day up until the 12th of December. And then could happen again between now and the end of the year a couple times. Hard to say. So there's our nail. Let me know what you think. We got snowflakes. So leave me a comment down below. Leave your thoughts, your suggestions, your love. Have yourself a blessed day, and thank you.